What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Another short ride and review. Going to meet the cake dealer at this little Italian joint called POSTO ACCANTO. I don't know much about this place other than that the wife wants to go. It's close, and apparently it's been there for like 35-ish years. Sometime in the 90s, maybe. So maybe a little less than 35. It's right on 2nd Street between like A and B. So very close, very quick ride. Hoping there's a good spot to park the bike. Been getting a good amount of these riding reviews done. I don't know what the goal is, maybe get to 100. And then, I don't know, pitch it to somebody. Maybe someone wants to throw me on TV. If you guys know anybody who might be interested, let me know. Maybe we could pitch this to somebody. What's going on here? All right. It's coming up on Houston. I'm going to take a left on Houston real quick, and then I think it turns into 2nd Street. You know, you just kind of veer off on this one little spot up ahead. It's a crazy day in the city. Today is the 5-borough bike tour. So there's a lot of people, you know, biking around. It's crazy. This is it right here, 2nd. So this place is just going to be up ahead on the right, I think, after I cross over B. This is C right here. This will be probably one of the fastest riding reviews so far. I might have to take a couple of loops around on the way home to talk about the dishes we tried, kind of like what I did with Casino. All right, this looks like this is it right here on the right. POSTO ACCANTO. Right here. Oh, cool. I can park it here. All right. See you guys on the inside. Everything looks good. I don't know what to get. That looks good.
Only get one breadstick.
What was the name of this again?
Who goes
Spritz? And what's in it?
Saint Germain, mint,
cucumber. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do some lemon squirt on that for me. Yeah.
Postos? Yes.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
Want cheese on the chicken?
Sure, why not? Thank you.
Enjoy, guys.
Chicken parm, cavatelli, scialatielli.
Oh my god. They're affogato Fancy.
Another page of desserts. Oh, these are drinks too. Take a scoop. Nice and soft.
Yes.
All right, taste test it. How is it? Good?
It's very good. See everything.
Serving terrible food since 1999. Wow, man, what can I say? Il Posto Accanto. It might be my new favorite Italian restaurant. Everything was insane. We did like 3 in 1. So we started off with frito misto, which is the fried calamari, fried shrimp, and fried zucchini together. Really big portion size. Lots of shrimp. Usually places will cheap out on the shrimp. Perfectly cooked. Great batter, sage, fried sage for the flavoring on there. Really nice. Then we also did the grilled calamari, which was marinated for like a day in olive oil and then grilled nice, just perfectly cooked calamari. Really like that. And then that burrata special, which is the whole reason we wanted to go here. My wife saw that picture of that on Instagram. It was burrata, mortadella, prosciutto, and a little bit of spicy salami down at the bottom. That was awesome, very good. Then we moved on to pastas. We did 2 pastas. The first was cavatelli, which is generally my favorite pasta. They served that with a cream sauce, a white truffle cream sauce that had mushrooms, peas, and sausage in it. And then we had scialatiella, which I've never had before. Might be my new favorite pasta style. It's like a thick pappardelle. I love pappardelle, but this one's thick, like, man, reminded me of like the hand-pulled noodles that you get at like Xi'an Famous. It was so good, so thick, perfectly cooked in like a real simple tomato basil sauce, which was the best way to feature that pasta, because the simpler the better. Then we did their chicken parm, which had like smoked mozzarella on it. The cheese could have been a little bubblier or a little bit more melty on top, but I didn't mind at all. It was perfectly cooked. It was pounded thin enough to be crispy, but it still retained its juiciness where, you know, it was nice. And then for dessert, we did panna cotta. Really smooth, really creamy. Nicely paired with that berry jam or compote at the bottom. Delicious. Really delicious. I said, we're going to be regulars at this place. It's so close. It's so good. I'm already thinking about what I'm going to order next time. I'm already craving it, and I'm full. It was so good. Man, how did this place stay off my radar for so long? And I'm kind of bummed because I just did my Italian food chat and ride and chat, and this didn't get mentioned. I'll have to do an update to that eventually. But that's it. This is a short ride and review. It's real close. Definitely going back here again. Jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Check out the full review with all the photos, more detailed description of the meal. And as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends. And you gotta tell your fucking grandma. especially if she's an old Italian nonna. Gotta tell her about this place. Too good.